This is my antique drill press. I've had it about 20 years. I don't know what make it is. It has no name on it. This is the original chuck that came with it. Kind of slow working, so I replaced it with a more modern chuck. A number 2 taper just slides up in there. It's got 5 speeds. I usually only use the lowest speed. Got a safety, I put a safety lever on it down there. Also got a shut-off switch here. Belt drive. Originally it would have been driven by a belt with a big flat pulley out here, driven by a line shaft. Somebody converted it. This is like a 1940s motor, so it's way back. They converted it to electric. If you want to adjust the height or the depth, you release the lock over here. Depending on the size of your work, raise or lower the table. After all these years of using it, just the other day I finally come up with this idea here. Just put this clamp down here and I can adjust the depth to stop it if I just want to go to a certain depth. It's a lot quicker than having to crank that table up and down and release and tighten up the lock. That's the locking mechanism there. And of course I put a modern vise on there to hold the work. It's a 1/4 horse motor. It seems to work fine. Plenty powerful enough for anything I use around the house. Change the belt. You just come to one side and take the belt off. Like that. I'm going to go to the fastest speed just because I've never run it at the fastest speed, just to see what it does. Doesn't want to run it. It runs very fast. It doesn't have much power.